Hello, my name is Anthony Gerbolini, and I'm here today to talk to you about augmented reality, the rise of immersive technologies. What is augmented reality? So, some of you might not actually know what augmented reality is because it's a fairly new concept. Well, in a basic definition, augmented reality is a technology that overlays digital information, such as images, sounds, or other data, onto the real world, enhancing the user's perception of their environment. So as you can see above, you can see somebody sitting in a car, hopefully in a passenger seat, and they're able to watch football. So his point of view is he's able to see the field, the players, like he's actually in the stadium, but as we can see in the picture, he's sitting in a car. AR can also be experienced through various devices, including smartphones, tablets, or the lens he's using above. I believe it's called Google Lens, and they are very expensive. An industry example would be Pokemon Go. So in 2016, in July of 2016, this groundbreaking game has been launched and it quickly became a cultural phenomenon. The features that use AR was one of the first games to use AR and become so popular so quickly. So when players encounter a Pokemon, they're able to use their smartphone camera to see the Pokemon uh, on the real world. So for example, if you're in your kitchen, you have your table, your chairs, and then you're able to use the Pokemon Go app. It connects to your camera, and you're able to see Pokemon on your kitchen table and chairs, and it's quite fascinating to be able to incorporate those technologies. But this just creates the illusion that the Pokemon is actually there, and it makes things more engaging, like apps haven't been able to do before. These are new types of features that are definitely eye-catching. Going on to why AR is important. AR enhances user experience, but can also be used to improve engagement. So these technologies become interactive and it captures the customer's attention, like I was talking about, and it's just more effective than traditional media. The product visualization is improved because there's apps like IKEA. They have a furniture app where you're able to use AR to see, say, if you want a couch, where it's going to fit in your couch, how it's going to look, and it's something new that you're not able to really do before. It's making online shopping actually more more sought out for. Personalization, it's easy to tailor your experience and the type of things that you want using AR. It makes things more engaging and it honestly leads to more higher customer satisfaction. And the innovation is something that's new, it's something that's buzzing, and it's just going to become more and more advanced to where you might not ever need to leave your house to go shopping anymore because of these different types of features these companies are trying to use, like IKEA. The future of augmented reality, the field of augmented reality and immersive technologies is swiftly changing, fueled by improvements in enhanced user experience. So you are able to do different things with these different types of apps and goggles. Like I've seen in a commercial for the Google Lens that someone was able to start texting while they're sitting in the back of a cab by just clicking out in front of them. So if you're looking from a like a bystander point of view, watching somebody in the back of a taxi just poking at the air, you're like, what are they doing? But you could be working, you could be like playing games. It makes things different, unique, not boring. It's improving with the times for sure. My personal thoughts and takeaways is I find AR absolutely captivating because it can create such a memorable experience, whether through gaming or more practical uses. The way it enhances how we see and interact with the world around us is generally thrilling, and it's amazing to see about the possibilities that it can open up. Another thing that I thought about was looking at these different Google lenses and AR technologies is that the cost is quite high. I think as people become more prone to using these things, they'll become readily available and affordable, and it will just be a better model for customers and businesses as well to capitalize on the amount of attention that the technology is bringing to the products. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned a lot about augmented reality and its uses in business.